yard man. They're yard man, don't respect. I want to I respect and love man to all Jamaica, no matter where in the world. One eye, like I own you. No matter where in this world I go, I am a Jamaican. No birth papers I have to show, cause I am a Jamaican. No matter where in this world I go, I am a Jamaican.
Jamaica is unique and beautiful. Come and take a tour with me. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel. True Jamaican vibes, Fire Reid. Welcome guys, welcome to the channel. As you can see, welcome to Banana Ground in Manchester. So I don't know, say, Elaine Thompson place this year. So yeah, big up yourself girl anyway there, pro Jamaican. Big up yourself. So again I tour the place same way with Fire Reid. Yeah man, because you know say Elaine Thompson do a lot for Jamaica. Yeah man, I know she don't forget where she come from, you know. So they're giving her a tour of Elaine Thompson clothes, you know. Big up yourself girl anyway there. Big up all the athletes them around for Jamaica. Big up for yourself, one heart. Just the Jamaican vibes, you know. No see her clothes. Man, so I take a tour of Banana Ground same way. So you know when you're in Banana Ground you can get a nice view over into Mandeville area. Nice view. I don't know the reason why them call it Banana Ground. I don't know if it's a lot of banana plant up here and stuff. But it's a very nice place, very cool place as you can see. Produce a lot of good things out of that area here. They say the fastest female runner. One heart, two Jamaican vibes, Fire Reid. So I'm gonna make a right turn. So it's a bit overcast. One person stopped me a while ago. I don't know if they must stop me fast, so I'll find out what I go on. Same way, you know. Yeah man, so I'll back up and see what I'm going down on the side there. Man, I'm saying that tap me a while ago, on the pan. Yeah, we kinda full up now still. Alright, you good then? Manners and respect, yeah? Yeah man, so them say they may not look a ride, but you don't know. Just the Jamaican vibe same way. I'm finding out what people them want, you know? So I don't know, say how sweet Jamaica this. Our beautiful island, natural beauty. man, anywhere in the place to go, all over the world, we always remember where we come from, you know. And we always outstanding, you know, with different colors, you know. So big up all the Manchester people, them, Banana Ground people, them. Big up on yourself, anyone there, yard and abroad. Just again a tour on the area, same way. When you're in a Banana Ground, suppose you can take about roughly about 20 minutes to Manfield town, or maybe 25, roughly about that the time. So I'm traveling in the direction, on the east direction. Yes, mommy, big up yourself. Very, very cool area. Always remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel, True Jamaican Vibes Fire Reid. Yeah man, here tour guide. As you can see me, I take you to many different places in Jamaica, like always. So it's a different type of temperature up on the heights here, you know, higher heights, different type of temperature, very cool and nice, and a lot of farming take place in the area. A lot of farming. So you can see it's a farming area also. A lot of chocho, bananas, sweet potatoes. Also, I see a lot of cabbage in this area also, a lot of cabbage. people so we can share the